Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja okwedo wach moro nobila isando kod duol mar National Police Service Commission koloso e mbele kamati mar od bura. Kanja nokwedo ling gi nonro mag osach obila. Wawinjane kaka twagno dhi nyime.
And the commission does its work. And lastly, Chairman, this letter, this one, done by Edwin Cheluget, Commissioner, National Police Service Commission, it actually reads like a coerced, it reads like who is he? Actually, he needs to show up here and tell us why he wrote this letter. Thank
you. Yes, Moko, and then Chair.
Point of order, Chair.
Yes, sir.
Are we not creating some sort of overload? Why doesn't we allow the witness to answer those questions first?
No, we ask
a second round
because of time.
Thank you.
Let's allow Moko is already on the floor. Finishing. Chair, thank you very much, Chair. From the onset, the witnesses, a press statement is not admissible. Committee. So this document, not a press statement, a letter signed by all the relevant officers. But again, I think in the introductions I had somebody introducing himself as Edwin Cheluget. So that Edwin Cheluget must be here. Is it? He's here. He can lift his hand up, we can see him. Where is Edwin Cheluget? So No, it's okay, because
to give a clarification.
Yeah, because the members were referring to an Edwin Cheluget.
Okay, thank you, Chair.
So I just wanted to confirm when there was introductions, I had that he was in this one. But Chair, maybe to digress a little bit. IG, you sit in the National Police Service Commission. You are part of the membership of that National Police Service Commission. Even the Deputy IG, as per the mandates of the Constitution, CEO, you hear. Do you feel that all the articles of the Constitution that have been read by the honorable members of Parliament here have been complied with? And you are not addressing only the Public Accounts Committee here. You can see the media here. You are addressing Kenyans. Do you feel where you sit in your capacity that all those articles, all those articles of the Constitution, paragraphs, sub-paragraphs have been adhered? And we want you to be very clear and forthright with it. The reason why we are here today is because one CEO of National Police Service Commission, Peter Relay, decided to speak the truth. And he said, we have been denied these documents. And that is why we are able to answer. We could not have been here. But I take note because I'm a Kenyan. Mr. Peter Relay was in that press release, I think when it was being read. So, and that is why you see members of Parliament here, like my Honorable Suda saying, looks like the statement is coercion and so forth. We are speaking to Kenyans, and we want to help. And probably I would want to ask you, who is the legal officer for this National Police Service Commission? Because probably maybe